In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Volvo V70 key fob. There are two of these devices. You can see I have the 6-button and the 5-button version here. Doesn't matter which one you have, the process is going to be the same for both of them. All you'll need to get this done is a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2430 battery. And these are pretty cheap. You can get them online. If you're interested, go check out that first link in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon where you can find these for a great price. To open this thing up, we want to first look on the back and find this switch. Hold that down while you pull out the internal key. Using the flathead, we're going to go in that keyhole. You can see right there. We're going to go in and just gently push up, which will push this back piece of plastic off. So just gently push until you can see that we have a little bit of space in the corner here, and then go with your flathead and kind of wiggle in there and twist, and the whole back piece will pop right off. Just a quick note, be careful when you're going in here. You don't want to snap, or you don't want to apply too much pressure, or this little piece of plastic could be damaged, but there's kind of a sweet spot right about there where you can push and you're not going to cause any problems at all. You can also do this with the key itself. It's just a little trickier, but you can definitely get that done anyway. But we're going to be using the flathead for the next step, so find it easier to just go all the way with the flathead screwdriver. So once you have this opened up, you can set this to the side. We'll come over here to the battery, and the best thing to do is just come in on the corner here and using the flathead, gently pry the battery out. When you're ready to put your CR2430 battery in, you want to make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing down. And you'll just simply push that into place, positive side down. And now we can just click the two halves back together. So this metal component is going to go right on top of the battery. And line that up and squeeze and put your key back in there. And with that, you are all set. You have a new battery in there that should last you for a long time, and you're good to go with your Volvo key fob. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another key fob, you can come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a tutorial just like this one.